Hi guys, welcome to another Thank Truck It's Friday. Finally it's Christmas after this long year. We can finally get into the festive spirit and take you through our top 10, 11, there's an extra one Tom.
Oopsie.
Top 11 gifts for that special truck driver this Christmas. So let's get into it. Okay, we'll start with TruckChef, 24 volt microwave, 800 watt, 20 litre, just like you'd have at home, full size microwave, power inverter mounted inside, so it's a true 24 volt in. Designed to fit in pretty much every single truck. We have different models with different fitting kits to make sure that they go into the locker, they look like they're meant to be there from the factory. We're not just going to ask you to bolt it into the footwell or anything like that. This is made for the job. It's a professional grade item, fully type approved, which basically means it can be fitted before registration. It's been signed off by the VCA. It's a proper automotive product. Starting at $395 plus the VAT, and that'll include a fitting kit on most items, and they'll just go up a little bit from there as well to $465. So everything in between that, you've got every truck covered. It's really popular. We've been doing it now for many years. Very reliable, definitely fairly expensive gift. However, we do have the 0% finance if you want to spread the cost. Moving on, just over here, we've got the brand new Strands lighting division, Siberia LED bars. I've got this one here just as an example, just so you can see it lit up. Strands, we've been working with them for years. They make some really fantastic products, really great for styling. These Siberia bars have been so popular already. Certainly, if you are in the styling or if you want something a bit different that not everyone else has got, get yourselves one of these now. Come in different sizes and different rows as well. So this is a double row 10-inch. It's 2 levels of LED top and bottom, and then that lovely DRL through the middle. We've got it lit up in amber, which is what makes it different. You can also have it lit up in white if you wish. Super high powerful bar as well, so the lighting output there is amazing, trust me. We do the single row as well, so just take the bottom row off this and you've got the single row basically. You have your DRL along the bottom, LEDs along the top. Like I say, various sizes, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 inch. The 50-inch bar is mega. If you have space on your truck, get one of them on there. It will knock any spotlight off its podium any day, trust me. These start at just £110 for the single row. This particular double row is £165. They're not unreasonable. They're certainly not out of the realms of full LED spotlights. They're modern, they're sleek, and they come with a 3-year warranty, so they're super reliable as well. They're selling fast. We've already sold out of some sizes. We've got more stock coming in. We do have some available, but they will go before Christmas, so make sure you get your orders in. Otherwise, you might have to wait until the new year to grab one. After that, the trusty air duster gun. This is a perfect little stocking filler. $9.95 plus the VAT. Comes with a quick connector as well. So if you've got the seat, the air on the seat, I should say, just snip the pipe. 2 push fit connectors there. No tools required. Plop the pipe in each end. You've got a fully functioning air duster gun. It's so easy. Every driver should probably have one in their cab because they do get dusty. It's perfect for just keeping clean basically at the end of the day. Really hot seller this one, so make sure you grab yourselves one of them as well. After that, I'm going to go over this side and we have the Gracemate poppies. Now these are ever popular with many drivers. I'm sure all of you or most of you are aware of the Gracemate Poppy brand. Really nice air fresheners. We've just got some of the fragrances here. There's about 10 or 12 fragrances. $9.95 each plus the VAT. They're literally world famous, so I don't really need to say much more about them. Again, a perfect stocking filler if you just don't know what to get someone. They're a great little gift, especially for a Secret Santa as well. Yeah, get them. They sell fast. We've got plenty of stock though, so don't worry about that. Next up, we did this one last year, but again, it's carried on selling like hotcakes. The TomTom Go Professional 6250 sat nav, the top of the range truck sat nav out there for professional use. There's no gimmick. It is perfect truck mapping, perfect truck points of view. You can put your height of your vehicle, your weight of your vehicle, you can put your ADR in there if you're carrying hazardous chemicals. This thing will route you where you need to go. This particular model comes with free updates for life, free traffic for life, free speed cameras for life, 2-year warranty out the box. And if you buy it online with us at the moment, you also get a free carry case, which is worth another tenner. This is 323 plus the VAT. Again, we have the 0% finance if you want to spread the cost of it. It brings it down to 20-ish pounds a month if you spread it over 18 months. Grab it. You won't be disappointed. If you're looking for a professional nav, I can't say it again, but I will. This is the one to go for, definitely. Straight from that, we have the Hadley Air Horns. Now, we've done a couple of videos on these. So go back on our YouTube channel, take a look at those. This is the 22-inch Hadley. It's the shiny Hadley finish. Sorry, I was a bit mesmerised by the shine of it then. Comes with a fitting leg. 22 inches perfect for light bars or matting on the roof. We go all the way up to 37 inch with the round end, or if you want the rectangle end, we do a 26 and a 29. All available with different fitting kits. I'm frantically trying to remember the price of this, but my helpful helper, who's not very helpful in the background, hasn't managed to find it yet. This is the only one I don't have off the top of my head. Still doesn't help me because he's given me the price range of the whole Hadley range. The 19 inch starts at £68 plus the VAT, and the 37 inch is 112 plus the VAT. This is somewhere in the middle. I think is about 75 plus the VAT. Check the website. You know, our website knows more than us apparently, so go for that, why not? Next up, sticking to the horns. Again, we've done a video on this. Our TGV Air Horn, 170 decibels of sound output. That's louder than a jet engine on full afterburner. Don't blast it in someone's ears. Seriously, make sure you've got ear defenders on it if you're near. Brilliant, brilliant horn. We did sell out. I am pleased to say that the pallets have landed with us today, and they're going out to all the customers that got them on back order. We've got a few left still. Make sure you get an order in. £69 plus the VAT, 12 and 24 volt as well. So we'll go on any vehicle with an air supply. You just need an air supply, plumb it straight in. It's got that proper diesel tone, the two-tone as well. So make sure you grab yourselves one of them if that's what you're after. After that, we'll go back down the other end again. Our ratchet winder. Okay, doesn't look like a lot. It's not exactly the most exciting of things to unwrap, but it's proper handy. Magnetic base. Pop it on the side rail of the truck. Thread your ratchet through there. Wind it up. No more winding in your hand, nothing like that. $15.95 plus the VAT. Again, great stocking filler there. Then, for those of you who want to get a little bit of style on your wheels, obviously we have a full range of wheel trims, starting at just £40.95 plus the VAT. This particular one with a closed centre is £46.27 plus the VAT, and we've got everything for every size wheel. If you've got a 17.5, 19.5, 22.5, if you want an extra deep liner, or you want the additional American jumbo that goes around the outside of this for your truck for the front wheel, we can do these with emblems in the middle if that's what you're after. Check out the website, we have a huge range. They're all in stock as well. We very, very rarely run out of stock on wheel trims, so you should be fine. If you're not sure on the size you need, just give us a call, give us the size of the tyre, and our guys will take you through it. We know everything about them, don't worry, we can sort that out. Marine grade stainless as well, it's not going to rust, it's not cheap. Easy fixing bracket, no weld as well. You know, it's not going to snap, it's a no weld bracket. So something else to remember. Okay, two left, yeah, that's 9, 2. So, again, we've done video on these. Arkon mounts for your truck, phone and tablet mounts. This particular one here is a windscreen mount, $22.95 plus the VAT. Takes pretty much any size of phone up to 7 inch. And then we also do tablet ones as well. Again, check back on our YouTube channel because we've done an entire video on all the different types of mounts. They're not cheap plastic mounts. The brackets are metal. They're designed for proper professional use. If you want to go and buy a £3 mount off eBay, that's fine. That's not what this is. That's why it's over £20. It comes with a 2-year warranty. They're made in the USA. They're designed for the job at hand. They're a professional grade mount. And lastly, again, these featured last year, but they've been really popular, so we're going to do it again. Our safety trainers. Now, clunky safety boots. Ugh, clunky safety boots, they're horrible. They look rubbish as well half the time. So keeping in mind that most of you guys that are watching are drivers, these are proper comfy to drive in. There is some guys out there that we sent them out to review on. Check them out on YouTube. They've done reviews, or you know, most of your famous truck vloggers have had some. Check them out. They'll tell you themselves, but they're super lightweight, proper steel toe cap. They'll pass any site inspection. If anyone asks you, oh, you're wearing your trainers? No, you're not. They're a proper steel toe cap. They come with a little certificate to say so as well. This colour here is the black and blue. They come in lots of different colours, all the different sizes. They're all on our website. £49 a pair. They're great. They're memory foam soled, proper comfy. All of our guys wear them. I know we might be biased, but all of our engineers wear them because they'd much rather wear these than clunky safety boots. So yeah, safety trainers, definitely a good one for a stocking filler as well. And that's pretty much it. That's all we've got. Well, it's not all we've got. We've got like 4,000 products on our website if you want to check out and have a look for yourselves. But they are our top picks for this year, for gifts for truck drivers. I hope you've enjoyed it. I really hope you've managed to stay safe this year. Sincerely from all of us here at Kuda, thank you for your support that you've shown us, and you've sort of bared with us whilst we've been trying to get stuff into the country when things were shut down and trying to get stuff out. And also again, thank you from us. You're all truck drivers, you're all heroes. Nothing gets anywhere without you guys. It's as simple as that. Everything comes on a truck at some point. So really, thank you ever so much, especially this year. And yeah, Merry Christmas, have a Happy New Year. Make sure you keep an eye on us on Facebook because there's a Boxing Day bonanza that you do not want to miss out on. But prior to that, last delivery shipping date is the 23rd of December. If we've got it in stock, you'll have it Christmas Eve. We've made sure with FedEx we can get it with you. So last Christmas orders, 23rd of December. Keep an eye on the Facebook page on Boxing Day because there's going to be some mega deals that you want to catch up on. Thanks a lot. Please like and subscribe as always. See you next year.